want to show you how to do the teddy bear hold. This one's been around for a while, and there's a couple different ways you can do it. There's a theme and variation. So the first way is the actual way that's recognized as teddy bear. So it goes like this. Bring yourself up. Bring your legs up. And hold. Now, how did I do that? Well, for one thing, if you can see, my butt is firmly against the pole. And my arm is also jammed against the pole. So what happens is when you lift up into teddy, you're going to have your butt against the pole, and your arm is going to come around like that, and then you're going to grab your leg. So what's holding you up onto the pole is your butt and your bicep, basically. So to get into it without spinning or anything, you would just kind of lean with your butt against the pole, lean back, grab one hand, sink into it, lift the leg up. Okay. So the way I did it was climbed up first, but it's the same move. All I did was put my butt here first, then make sure I grab like so, and pull both legs up. All right, let me show you again. A variation, modest bear, you can cross your legs. All right, this is one I will not be showing you on the other side. Reason being because this is one of those ones that puts the other sided shoulder, well, puts both shoulders, but that position, this shoulder is not able to deal with at this time. So teddy only on one side, sorry about that. But you have to listen to your body, and I do have a shoulder injury that I'm still recovering from. So, sorry about that. This is going to be probably one of the very few that I only do on one side. It's rare, I know. Okay. One last time. So, climb up, legs come off, put the butt against the pole, bring the legs up, and hold. And to close it, just cross the legs. All right. Safe and happy pulling.